Hello, respectable audience. I have a question. 3 minus 3 times 3 minus 3 times 3 minus 3. What will be the answer? Its answer will be 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. And 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So 0 times 0 times 0 will be 0. Our answer will be 0. But remember that this is not appropriate method. So according to DMS rule, first of all division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction will be solved. So here is multiplication, and we have to move from left to right. So 3 as it is, minus 3 times 3 will be equal to minus 9. Okay? Now here is minus 3 times 3 minus 3. Okay? 3, 9 is mine. And here is multiplication. So it will be minus 9 minus 3. Here, 3 minus 9 will be equal to minus 6. Minus 9 minus 3. Minus 6 minus 9 will be equal to minus 15 minus 3. So our answer will be minus 18. Thank you for watching my YouTube video.